Hello, traders out there in Traderland. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade on Monday, May 14th, 2012. Stocks are down yet again. Dow down 125 points, down 1%. The S&P down more than 1%. Nasdaq down more than 1%. Russell's down almost 1.5%. Banks down 1.5%. VIX up a whopping 10%. We are now knocking at the door at 22. Gold, silver, crude oil all down a huge amount. 1.5% down on gold, 2.4% down on silver, crude oil down 1.8%. Commodities getting smashed. US dollar up 0.43. We have tomorrow pre-market CPI and retail sales coming out 1 hour before the markets open. All eyes will be on that data. Right now we're taking a look at the S&P daily per usual. And we have this lower swing high, lower swing low in the making. I'm going to show you a couple lines here. Copy this, bring it down. Something like this. And what you have with those two red lines is a bull flag for pulling a lot of information here. You can see that we have a nice run with this little bull flag in the making, but we need to find support and relatively fast. Let's blow back up here so we can really see what's going on, but I want to show you a major trend line that we have, and let me darken this up so you can really see this. And we'll go back in time. Now keep your eyes here. I know I'm moving the chart around a lot, but bear with me. We have an inverted hammer here, which is a bullish reversal pattern. Take this line, let's go back in time. This line's been on here forever. I just made it yellow so it wasn't so dominant. But back here in November 2011, we had support. Right here in October 2011, we have support. If I go to a line chart, support, rally back, we're at that support. I'm looking for a bounce to happen tomorrow. So you're hearing that right here at Grok Trade. We get the very best technical analysis. And let's take a look here at the Dow. The Dow did break down below a major support area. Not so great. Nasdaq holding its own, but it closed below the 100-day moving average. Not so great. Russell's breaking down here, and we're below the 780 mark. Not so great. So the S&P is at a major trend line, so that has to hold. Now on the banks, we just took a big nosedive. We had this gap down, we rallied high, filling that gap, but then we crashed by day's end, so showing some relative weakness here. On the VIX volatility index, we closed at the day's high, and we're getting a nice rally ensuing. On the weekly chart on the VIX, we're at these major lows, boom, we're starting to make a move right now. On the monthly chart, low pop, low, and we're popping. Look at gold. On the monthly chart, we are down now below the 20-month moving average. On the weekly chart on gold, we gap down, but we do have a doji so far for the week, but we're just getting started. Here on the daily, another gap down. We're just taking a bloodbath here in commodities. We saw that in 2008, right before the markets went into a deep recession. As far as Apple is concerned, symmetrical triangle is starting to break down right now. So that is not a good sign. However, back on the S&P, we are at this major trend line that's coming up. That is the hope that with this hope we should get a bounce here sometime soon. So thank you for being a part. This weekend we have a mentorship. This is your last chance if you want to join us. If you need to join us, this is your time. Contact us at mentor@groktrade.com. We'll talk to you about it. Take care. Safe trading.